Hi guys, it's Can One Love here. I am gonna tell you the biggest, well, it's not really a big secret, but you have asked me in the past, do I have extensions? So here's my hair. It is about 1 week old, has not been washed, it needs to be washed. And this is all my hair. The big question that everybody's asked me, what extensions do you use? What do you have, guys? I don't have any extensions. This is all my hair. Yes, some of us are blessed with a lot of hair, but I will tell you that I am religious. I am crazy about my hair. I will spend extra money for my hair. I will use good products for my hair, and I take care of it like a baby. So, first thing I do is I just brush my hair, and this is extremely dirty. And I'm just going to show you that I just like to brush it through. But look, there is no extensions, nothing there. That's all my hair. And what I do once a week, twice a week, it just depends. Sometimes I'll curl it out just to give it a fresh look. So today we are headed to take my kids to the aquarium. And I just want to look like I have big, curly, pretty hair. Sure, I'm doing video. Sorry, my daughter. So anyway, I use Hot Tools. This is my iron, and the key is, and you guys may or may not know, but I use a 1-inch barrel, so it's not that big. And then of course I do not I just turn my hair like this, but I do not turn the heat all the way up to 450. I think that could be damaging to your hair, and I just don't do it. And I just let it loose. And it's tight, but just don't worry, my hair will fall out. When you curl your hair, if you have any kind of like dimension in it, or any kind of like natural colors, or want your natural to pop through, I feel that curling really gives more dimension than not curling. You can see more of your color. And the next thing I want to give you while I'm curling my hair is some tips. So everybody asks me, how do I get my hair long? How do you grow your hair? Well, these are my tips and tricks that have worked for me. They may not work for you, but they work for me. So I am more than happy to have anybody try them. So the first thing is don't wash your hair every day. Your hair is not meant to be washed every day, okay? I know you may say, but Candace, I get so greasy. I cannot go a day without not washing my hair. Guys, yes, you can. What you do is you buy a dry shampoo. There's dry shampoos on the market. The favorite one I like to use is Batiste or something like that. You can get it at Target. I've used plenty of different brands. But what happens is spray your hair where there's dry shampoo. You could even use baby powder, and you just kind of just rub it in and just give it a little look. Give it a little, hit it with a little blow dryer. But you want to basically use your own natural oils. So your own natural oils are the best for your hair, and actually combing them through your hair is what the best for your hair is. So there's something called a natural sebum. And natural sebum is what is produced from the glands in your head. So the biggest gland for your sebum is back here. And then you also, of course, have them on top. That's why everybody says, why do I have such greasy hair? Well, here we go. So what I suggest is when you brush your hair and you want it to grow, I want you to flip your head over and brush it from the bottom and down to try to take the sebum from the back and push it to the ends of your hair. Basically, because remember, natural sebum, I know it sounds nasty, but I work in the medical field, so that kind of stuff does not bother me. But anyway, natural sebum is what really helps your hair grow healthy, is your own natural sebum. So I'm just curling this other side. Sorry to get off track, but if you can see, I love seeing dimension, and I just think that natural hair color is the best. So what I do is I try to have my natural hair as my color, and then what I do is I get my hair done, and I just try to have my stylist put in small ribbons or pops of blonde. And remember, bleach can hurt your hair, but I use Olaplex and really good hair products. And we'll do that in next tutorial of what hair products I use. If you guys want to see that, just message me, let me know what you like to see. And by far, I am no expert. I just learn from others, just like you, and then just share what I know, so then you can share to others. That's like the whole goal of me doing this. So I just want to give this an extra twist here. Okay. So as you can see, I am ready to go on about my day. That was an easy 5-minute, maybe 4-minute curl for all this hair. And again, I would love to get some extensions put in. I don't know if you guys know of any extensionist, I don't know what to call it, people, but I want some more up here. As I noticed after having kids and then stopping breastfeeding, I have lost a lot of hair, more in my front, and I don't know why. But I would like to get like a few, I don't know what they call them these days, tracks, or I don't know what they're called, but maybe just a few here because I love big hair. It's just my look. I'm from Jersey. And anyway, so here what I do is I'll just like kind of finger comb a little bit. And I love to have like a little swoosh here. I just feel like it helps accent my long face. And that's another thing. YouTube some videos about like which face. Sorry about that. So I'm back. And basically, if you can YouTube videos of what face shape, I kind of have a long face. I have a Roman nose. And yeah, it's just what I was dealt with. But I just like a nice little pop of curl. I think it helps. I love to sometimes just put my hair back like this and I go out for the day so it's not in my face. But growing your hair, the key is don't wash it every day. Use good products, and you want to brush it and be gentle. Don't be rough. And then just really just watch what you use on your hair. And dry shampoo it, things like that. If I have any more stuff, I will do another post about that, but stay tuned. So thanks for following along. Love you all.